Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and sometimes you just need a cheap and easy meal. Well, you're in luck, because today we'll be whipping up some black beans and rice. Let's dive in. Finely mince up half a yellow onion and get out a large stock pot. Heat up a drizzle of olive oil and add in your onion along with some minced garlic. Cook that on medium-high heat until translucent, or about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add in your uncooked rice and mix it with the onions and garlic for about a minute or two, just so those flavors can mingle. The type of rice isn't too important, but I'm using Jasmine Rice today since it was in the cupboard. Add in some veggie broth, a little bit of cumin, and a strained can of black beans. Bring that mix to a boil, cover with a lid, and turn the heat down to low. Let that simmer on the heat for 20 minutes, but make sure to give the rice an occasional mix. Once the rice is tender, add in some lime juice along with some fresh cilantro if you like that. I'm not a cilantro fan though. This is looking good, so let's plate this dish. This is the perfect cheap meal here. Even though the ingredients are super simple for this dish, it still very much pops with flavor. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite cheap meals in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Even though our ingredients are really simple for this dish,